Have you ever wondered how a simple thank you can impact your brain and mental health? Let's start by defining gratitude. In psychological and neuroscientific terms, gratitude is a complex emotion that engages our brain in unique ways. It's more than just saying thank you. It's about recognizing the good in our lives. Interest in studying this powerful emotion within neuroscience has been growing rapidly. As we dive deeper into this topic, you'll realize the profound effects of gratitude on our brain and overall well-being. Our brain is a complex organ, and gratitude plays a significant role in its functioning. When we express or receive gratitude, certain areas of our brain light up, specifically the prefrontal cortex and the limbic system. The prefrontal cortex, the home base of executive functions, helps us focus our attention, make decisions, and regulate our emotions. When we experience feelings of gratitude, this area of the brain becomes more active, aiding us in processing these positive emotions. Meanwhile, the limbic system, which includes the hippocampus and the amygdala, also plays a key role. The hippocampus helps encode positive experiences into our long-term memory, while the amygdala processes emotions and is particularly involved in fear responses. When we are grateful, our amygdala's threat detection decreases, allowing us to feel safer and more secure. Furthermore, these brain regions are intrinsically linked with reward processing and interpersonal bonding. The act of giving thanks can trigger the release of dopamine, the so-called feel-good neurotransmitter in the prefrontal cortex. This release generates a sense of pleasure and reward, making us more likely to repeat the behavior that led to it. Gratitude, thus, can deepen our relationships and social connections as it fosters a sense of mutual appreciation and trust. In essence, the neural circuits involved in gratitude are closely associated with those that govern our most fundamental emotions, including happiness, pleasure, and social bonding. It's fascinating how our brain responds to feelings of gratitude, isn't it? Our brains are not static. They constantly change and adapt. This is known as neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity is the brain's unique ability to reorganize and form new neural connections throughout life. Now imagine if we could harness this power through something as simple as gratitude. Research suggests that the practice of gratitude can indeed lead to changes in the brain's structure and function. When we express gratitude, we're essentially training our brain to be more sensitive to the experience of gratitude in the future. This creates a positive feedback loop of gratitude and happiness. Studies have shown that regular gratitude practices, like journaling or mindfulness exercises, can enhance neural connections, particularly in brain areas associated with learning, memory, and emotion regulation. There's even evidence to suggest that gratitude could potentially increase gray matter in the prefrontal cortex, a key area for decision-making and stress regulation. So, practicing gratitude not only makes you feel good, but can physically change your brain. Did you know that gratitude can trigger the release of certain chemicals in our brain? Yes, it's true. When we express or receive gratitude, our brain releases neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin. Dopamine, often known as the feel-good chemical, rewards us with a rush of pleasure. It's nature's way of encouraging us to repeat beneficial behaviors. Serotonin, on the other hand, is a mood stabilizer. It helps us feel more balanced, content, and happier. Now, you might be wondering, how does practicing gratitude influence these neurotransmitters? Well, when we consciously cultivate gratitude, we're encouraging our brain to produce more dopamine and serotonin. This increase can lead to better mood regulation and an overall sense of well-being. It's almost like a natural antidepressant. So gratitude isn't just good manners, it's a tool for promoting emotional health. Evidently, gratitude has a unique way of making our brain happier. Gratitude doesn't just affect our brains, it has profound psychological effects too. Research studies have shown a strong correlation between gratitude and well-being. It has been observed that people who consciously focus on gratitude experience less depression and anxiety. This isn't just an ephemeral state of mind, it's a long-term effect that can help individuals navigate through tough times with a positive outlook. Moreover, gratitude can act as a buffer, increasing resilience against stress. It's like having an emotional raincoat that can shield you from the storm of daily stressors. When we appreciate what we have, we're less likely to be overwhelmed by what we don't have or what we can't control. Gratitude also helps us manage stress more effectively. It encourages us to see the silver lining, to find the good in the bad, and to recognize that even in the face of adversity, there are things to be thankful for. Gratitude, therefore, holds power to transform our mental health. The benefits of gratitude extend beyond our minds and into our daily lives. Indeed, research has shown that maintaining a grateful mindset can have significant impacts on our physical health. Studies suggest that individuals who regularly practice gratitude often report improved sleep quality. It seems that the positive emotions evoked by gratitude can help facilitate more restful and rejuvenating sleep. But it doesn't stop there. Some researchers are exploring the potential effects of gratitude on inflammation and heart health, opening exciting new frontiers in our understanding of the mind-body connection. Furthermore, gratitude can also enhance our social relationships. By fostering a sense of appreciation for the people around us, we can increase feelings of connectedness and improve our interpersonal interactions. Expressing gratitude can make us more empathetic, more understanding, and kinder, thereby strengthening our bonds with others. Gratitude truly has a holistic impact on our lives, doesn't it? Now that we know the benefits of gratitude, how can we cultivate it in our daily lives? A simple yet effective way to do this is by keeping a gratitude journal. Every day, jot down 3 things you're grateful for. They don't have to be grand. It could be a warm mug of coffee, a friendly smile from a stranger, or just the sun shining on your face. This practice helps you focus on the positive aspects of your life and over time, retrains your brain to notice these moments more often. Another method is through mindfulness gratitude exercises. This involves taking a moment to be present and mindful and consciously acknowledging the things you are grateful for. You can do this at any time of the day, but it's particularly effective when done first thing in the morning or just before you go to bed. However, cultivating a gratitude practice isn't always easy. Some days you might struggle to find things you're grateful for, or life's challenges might make it difficult to feel thankful. In these moments, remember that it's okay. Don't beat yourself up. Instead, be gentle with yourself. Recognize the difficulty, but choose to keep going. You can also try to find gratitude in these challenges. After all, they often offer valuable lessons and opportunities for growth. It's all about shifting your perspective and consciously choosing to focus on the positives. Remember, like any other practice, cultivating gratitude requires commitment and patience. Let's recap what we've learned about the neuroscience of gratitude. A simple act of appreciation can have a profound impact on our brain and overall health. When we experience gratitude, distinct regions of our brain, the prefrontal cortex and the limbic system, light up. These areas are closely tied to emotion regulation, reward processing, and interpersonal bonding. We've also explored the concept of neuroplasticity, the brain's remarkable ability to adapt and change. Regular gratitude practices, such as keeping a gratitude journal or mindfulness exercises, can reinforce neural connections and possibly even increase gray matter in certain brain areas. On a neurochemical level, gratitude triggers the release of dopamine and serotonin, neurotransmitters that play crucial roles in our mood and emotional well-being. By influencing the production and regulation of these chemicals, gratitude practices can help us foster better moods and emotional health. Studies have shown that gratitude can lessen symptoms of depression and anxiety, enhance resilience, and improve stress management. Beyond mental health, a grateful mindset can positively impact physical health, leading to better sleep and potentially even reducing inflammation and improving heart health. Moreover, gratitude can enhance our social relations, fostering a sense of connectedness and improving our interactions with others. So, while gratitude might seem like a simple emotion, it's clear that it has far-reaching effects on our brains, our bodies, and our lives. Our brain has an incredible capacity to transform, and gratitude can be a powerful catalyst in this process. We encourage you to share your thoughts and experiences. Gratitude is a universal feeling, yet it's unique to everyone. Perhaps you've kept a gratitude journal, or maybe you've found other ways to actively cultivate this emotion in your daily life. We'd love to hear about your practices, your challenges, and the changes you've noticed in your own well-being. If you're just starting your journey towards a more grateful mindset, don't worry. There are many resources available to guide you. Consider exploring mindfulness exercises or keeping a gratitude journal. There are even mobile apps designed to help you keep track of the things you're grateful for. And remember, like any other practice, cultivating gratitude takes time and consistency. Don't be disheartened if you don't see immediate changes. The effects of gratitude on our brains and our lives are profound and lasting, but they do require patience and persistence. Remember, a grateful mind is a powerful mind. Thank you for joining us on this journey of understanding the neuroscience of gratitude.